Hi everyone, welcome back to our series on Master Data Management. I'm RK Koduru. You're watching RK Koduru vlog. Last video, we have uncovered the single most goal of Master Data Management, that is creating a golden record. This arises a huge question, that is, once we created this powerful, complex MDM system, where does this data live in? This world, we hear cloud everywhere. But in pharma, it's not simple today. Today, we are talking about on-premises MDM, what it is, and why it is still trusted choice for many regulated companies. What is on-premises MDM? So, what does on-premises or on-prem actually mean? The easiest way to think about is owning a house versus renting an apartment. A cloud solution is like renting. You got to use the space, but landlord control the building, premises, and security. On-premises is like owning a house. You are responsible for everything, but you have total control. In technical terms, on-premises means the server, the database is deployed in your organization own IT infrastructure, typically in your private corporate data center. Now we'll see the scope of full control. What does that actually cause? What does that actually cover? In MDM, it breaks down into 4 areas. You control the data domains from the product and HCP data all the way to R&D data management. You control processes, how data is ingested, matched, merged, managed. You control the controls, the audit trails, the access management, the compliance validation. And you control stakeholders, how your internal teams from data stewards, compliance officers, access and management systems. The big question, why just not use the cloud? So this thing is a big question. In the world of cloud innovation, why would a company, especially in pharma, choose this path? It sounds like a more work, right? The answer in one word, it is risk. For regulated industries, risk of not having greater than the cost of company managing the systems by themselves. Let's break down 4 key reasons. Reason 1, CLAD regulatory compliance. First and foremost, compliance. Pharma companies live and die by regulations. Think of 21 CRF Part 11 in US. This is the FDA rule of electronic records and signatures. It requires validated system with unbreakable audit trail. With on-premises system, you can lock down the environment, validate them according to your standard operating procedures and prove to an audit. Yes, the system is 100% in our control and has not been changed. This is a powerful statement. The second one, data recency. Data recency is a huge one. Many companies has strict laws. Think GDPR in Europe, HIPAA in USA that dictates where the sensitive data needs to be stored. For example, a company decides all data of our patients or HCPs shouldn't cross the borders of the country. 3, deep customization and validation. Every pharma company has a unique standard business rules. Maybe you are having a custom standard business rule for the golden record that may be unique to your company. Cloud platforms are often one size fits, and 4, integrated with legacy. And finally, it is a practical reason, the legacy system. Let's be realistic. Many pharma critical company systems like ERP, your lab information streams, regulatory information systems, and also on-premise. They might be 20 years old, but they'll work. They do work. While cloud is great for many things, on-premises remains powerful and relevant strategy for pharma and other regulated industries. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.